Hey, what's up? This is Carlos, co-founder and CEO over at Hatchfi. And today I wanted to show you our newly built API reference docs. So we're going to go ahead. I'm going to do a few things, but in general, you can go ahead and actually test your credentials here and get live data from our backend for your addresses that you are looking to pull in. So check it out. I'm going to go ahead. Just remember, please head over to app.hatchfi.co to sign up if you don't have an account. If you do have an account, just make sure you create a project. Go ahead and copy your keys down. That's your client ID, your API key, and your secret key. Make sure your secret key goes into a safe place. And this is a really good way to get started, just to start pulling data in so you can see what you're working with. Again, everything is live coming from the back end. So please feel free to test and enjoy. This is meant to help our developers on our platform. So we're going to go ahead. I'm just going to do two. So I'm going to go ahead and authenticate a user, which is going to return me a token. So I'm going to go ahead. I have an account created already. I'm going to go dump in my API key, my secret key. Then I'm going to go ahead and create a new user. So this one's called Hatchfi Test Portfolio. Again, we suggest when you do implement this into your platform that you're using UUIDs or unique ID identifiers for your clients so that all data on the backend is completely anonymous. We make an effort to make sure that all data is encrypted at rest and anonymous. So please make sure you use UUIDs to obfuscate your users' identities. Do not use emails, do not use anything like that. So I'm going to go ahead, click try it. We're going to go run it and look what we get back. We get a user ID and a token. So this token is going to let you authenticate to the back end. I'm going to go ahead and copy this token over here, get back. And so now I'm going to get all the accounts for this user now. So this is the second part I'm going to show you. This is one of many endpoints that we offer. So please feel free to use them. Make sure, delete your users. If this is just for testing, so delete your users. You're going to use delete all accounts or delete an account, please, or to delete the data for that particular user. So here we're going to go ahead. We're going to, now that the user is authenticated, we're going to go ahead and grab the username again since we have our key and secret key in there. We're going to go ahead and then we're going to hit try it. This particular endpoint called get all accounts is going to show you all of the accounts we've connected for this particular user, or in essence, any user that has connected via Hatchfi API in your application. These are their accounts that are going to show up. So we're going to go ahead and try again. And you can see on the bottom right-hand side, we get our user data. We get all the balances across accounts. CeLo, we have Ethereum, more CeLo, lots of CeLo, and ETH. CeLo and ETH, this is where it's at. So this is a live example of the data that we bring out and parse. Again, this is from someone's Coinbase wallet. So thank you for your time. That is a review of our new docs and our API reference guide. Please feel free to stop by. It's at docs.hatchfi.co. And thanks again for watching. Bye.